All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day. We get to work on the Mustang again. Since we're working on the Mustang, I gotta be a Mustang guy.
There you go.
And a really cool Mustang fake GT500 guy. Remember doggy?
High five, high five.
She's good. But anyways, I'm super excited. This Mustang, supercharged.
Oh yeah.
It's not a regular Mustang, it's a supercharged Mustang.
Pro-charged.
It's like same thing, right?
I don't know, I guess.
Same thing. But anyways, today's game plan is to start the body work. So the hood needs a little bit of love, you know? I mean, they did a great job. The color looks good, but apparently the clear ain't sticking. Look at that, it ain't sticking. So I'm gonna get the DA, sand it down, not all of it, just the front where the rock chips were, you know, because it's a lot of work. And then we have a little bit of damage on the quarter panel, not a big deal. The trunk lid should come in today.
Nice.
The bumper should come in today.
What?
So, Michael, if we stay extra late today, we can paint.
Oh, everything.
Everything. I could be driving this thing tomorrow to the car meets.
Yeah, I don't know about that, but yeah, sure.
No, we still need wheel and things like that, but we got a lot of work ahead of ourselves. I'm pretty excited. All the seat belts were dropped off. The airbag module was dropped off. The airbag should come in today or tomorrow. You know, local.
Nice.
Everybody has a Mustang apparently. All the salvage yards have a Mustang, so we should get that no problem. So we should get this thing knocked out pretty quick. But let's keep working with what we have. Let's get this thing, you know, body work.
Oh yeah, prepared.
Primered. And then we're gonna start detrimming, getting ready for paint. And then hopefully the bumper comes in, we can assemble that, look what it is. Maybe the airbags will come in. I mean, we got a long day, so let's get straight to it. All right, so just like that, we got the bumper primered, had to fix a couple little things on it, no big deal. The hood, front end, looking really good. The rest of the car, not too bad. And while we're doing that, the trunk lid came in. So paid roughly $300 for this. I think that's a pretty good deal. We don't have to do any work. I was supposed to come with no spoiler, so I don't know about that. We still gotta take the spoiler off. But on here, this came out nice and simple. We're gonna let that dry. So let's go ahead and mess with the trunk lid. And after that, let's start getting this thing ready for paint. right, so I started, got the trunk lid all primered up, ready to go, and already went ahead and started trimming everything. So we got the mirrors off, the trim, this door handle is about to come off, not a big deal. We got the trunk lid off, everything is looking good, and just like that, the front bumper came in. So let's go ahead and unbox this, check it out, make sure it's gonna fit this car, and go from there. All right, so we definitely got the right bumper, because there's a bunch of them that are, you know, the 16 and older, but this one, look at that. So you can see the intercooler on that, really good. Pretty stoked about that. But the bumper kind of came in folded, so I went ahead, put on there, screwed in the sides, put some pressure on it, and then I put some heat to it. So right now we're trying to get this thing to unbend a little bit. And then right here, we'll apply some pressure, but the bumper's kind of warm right now, so we'll let that sit. But let's check out all these other pieces we got. We got this piece. We got some canards, a lot of brackets, a lot of pieces. Need to check that out. A lot of grill pieces too. And then we need to see if our fog lights will fit in there too. So, or our turn signals. So, still pretty excited. Let's go ahead and start scuffing this whole side, so tomorrow we can paint. This thing's coming along nicely. All right, there we go. It's all painted. We got 2 coats of clear laid down really nice. This color is going to be pretty sweet. And the roof we are going to paint black. You know, make it look a little different. We got, you know, tinted windows, black roof, black spoiler, black trim pieces. So I think it's going to look out really nice. But let's go ahead and get this thing outside. Let's get the rest of the parts in here. The bumper, the trunk, the hood, get all that painted. All right, so it's the next day. We got this thing back in the paint booth. All that's dry, so we don't have to worry about it. Now let's paint the roof black so it kind of matches everything else. We got tinted windows, we got a black spoiler, front lips that's gonna be black, black wheels. So it's gonna look good black. Let's go ahead and probably put like 2 to 3 coats of black base on it, with a little bit of pearls in it, and get it done.
Where do you want to put it?
All right, guys, just like that, I got this beautiful Mustang painted one color.
Nice.
So we wanted to paint the whole thing so to match, Michael, right?
We got black, so I guess it's 2 colors, Adam.
It's a two-tone. But I'm saying, look at the color. I mean, that side really didn't need to be painted. We could have got away with it, but we wanted to match. You know,
Might
the
as well
bumper,
make it nice, yeah.
the hood. It's gonna look, you know, fresh, 2024, clear. So this color, check it out, Michael. It's sick. And this is inside, so outside it's gonna look really good, especially, you know, driving by.
Oh yeah.
And fly in this thing. But yeah, the roof got painted black, the spoiler, the little pieces for the bumper got painted black, because we gotta assemble everything, right?
Yep. That's true. Probably wait a little bit, maybe for assembly.
Gonna wait a little bit, but I'm pretty sure the seatbelts should be coming in today or tomorrow. So,
right. So we can do the interior stuff.
The roof airbags already came in, the drivers. So much airbags are here. I mean, it's got a lot of work to do on the inside, and hopefully the spoiler is going to come in because we got to mount the spoiler. But that's all for next episode. But Michael, what do you think? This is good.
Oh yeah, for sure, definitely, and it's looking great already. So it's motivating to finish it. You know, sometimes some projects take so long you just kind of push it to the side, like I'll get to it later. But it's coming along.
Yeah, we should be done with it this week, which is exciting.
I think so.
So, and then we can keep it for the rest of our life.
No, that's fine. No big deal. Moving right along, but I did want to test drive it. It'd be fun.
Yeah.
So
Maybe hit the drag strip.
It'd be fun. Hope it don't break nothing. That's part of the game. But anywho, guys, that's all the time for this episode. Like I said, leave some comments below if you like the paint color, the choice, the hood. Some people are for it, some people are against it. You know, that's a matter of opinion, no big deal. But I think it's gonna look good at the end.
It's gonna look great.
Perfect. Thanks, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Please, we appreciate all the support. Hit that like button. See you next time.